Imagine a motorhome so luxurious that it feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. A machine so powerful, it can tow your full-size SUV like it's nothing. And a design so premium that you can live inside it for months without missing home for a second. Yes, today we're talking about the 2025 Newmar Dutch Star, the king of class diesel motorhomes. In this video, we'll explore the exterior, the high-tech cockpit, the ultra-luxurious interior, the powertrain, safety features, and why this RV is considered the benchmark of traveling luxury in the United States. So stay with me for the next 7 minutes. Because what you're about to see is not just an RV. It's a moving mansion. Let's begin. Exterior overview. The 2025 Newmar Dutch Star stands tall as one of the most recognizable luxury motorhomes in the US. Built on a Freightliner XCR or optional Spartan chassis, its presence is massive, bold, and unmistakably premium. The full-body paint uses Newmar's masterpiece finish, which is one of the most advanced paint technologies in the RV world. LED headlights, chrome accents, motorized awnings, and deep storage bays make it both stylish and practical. This year, Newmar introduced even sharper body lines, improved insulation, and optional exterior entertainment systems, perfect for outdoor movie nights. Cockpit driver's area. Stepping inside, the cockpit feels like a jet cockpit rather than a motorhome. You get digital dash display, comfort drive steering system, 360-degree camera system, heated captain seats, adaptive cruise control, plus optional collision mitigation tech. The Dutch Star makes long-distance driving unbelievably smooth, even when you're driving almost a 45-foot motorhome. Interior and living area. The real magic begins inside. The 2025 Dutch Star interior looks like a luxury condo. You get real polished tile flooring, soft touch leather seating, power recliners, fireplace, Samsung smart TVs, Bose sound system, designer lighting, and handcrafted cabinetry. Newmar gives multiple floor plans, including bunkhouse options, 3-slide or 4-slide layouts, and massive living spaces. It truly feels like stepping into a luxury apartment. Kitchen and dining. The kitchen is equally impressive. A full residential refrigerator, solid surface countertops, convection microwave, induction cooktop, dishwasher option, and deep stainless sink. Everything here is built for long-term living. The dining area can be configured as a booth dinette, buffet dinette, or even a Euro-style table setup. It's modern, functional, and beautifully lit. Bedroom and bathroom. The master suite is pure luxury. A king-size bed with high-end mattress, plenty of wardrobe space, washer-dryer options, accent lighting, and another smart TV. The bathroom feels like a hotel. Large glass shower, rain shower head, solid surface vanity, high-end fixtures, heated flooring option. These touches make the Dutch Star stand out as a premium home on wheels. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 Dutch Star is a 450 HP Cummins L9 diesel engine, paired with an Allison transmission. You get excellent torque for towing heavy loads and smooth power delivery even on mountains. The optional Spartan chassis offers even better ride stability and air suspension comfort. It can tow up to 15,000 pounds, meaning you can bring your full-size SUV or trailer along. Safety and tech. Safety tech includes 360 camera, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise, lane assistance, stability control, tire pressure monitoring, collision mitigation. Inside, you get Wi-Fi boosters, multiplex lighting, touchscreen controls, and smart climate systems. Price and final verdict. The 2025 Newmar Dutch Star starts around $520,000 and can easily pass $650,000 plus depending on options. It's expensive, but people buy it because it delivers unmatched comfort, build quality, and long-term reliability. If you want a motorhome that feels like a luxurious mansion and performs like a true touring machine, the Dutch Star is still one of the best in America. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2025 Newmar Dutch Star, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment which RV you want next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.